Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Welcome to 1172 West Bloomfield Road in Mendon.
This is a spectacular New England-style ranch on over 7.5 country acres.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa. Let's take a tour.
From the covered entry porch to the welcoming foyer, this country home has it all. With an adjacent formal dining room with custom decorative shelving to hold your treasured pieces, and a spacious living room with a boxed picture window and a vaulted ceiling.
This is first floor living at its best, with a vaulted ceiling family room with a gorgeous brick fireplace, open to an expansive eat-in kitchen with beautiful wood cabinetry, and a garden sunroom great for relaxing and enjoying the breathtaking nature views. This home also features 2 spacious bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms, including a private owner's suite, plus a powder room, laundry, and walkout lower level.
The architecture of this New England country ranch home has exceptional detailing, complemented by exquisite landscaping.
This home is situated on over 7.5 scenic acres for exceptional privacy and outdoor fun for all your activities, even room for horses, all with hiking trails.
Here we are in the charming village of Honeoye Falls.
It has great restaurants, shops, and of course, the famous Honeoye Falls.
This is beautiful Mendon Ponds Park.
This is the largest park in Monroe County with over 2,500 acres of scenic ponds, groomed hiking trails, and pavilions for picnics. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 1172 West Bloomfield Road in Mendon.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!